Raffles Institution Science Hub is a centre of excellence for the learning and teaching of science. Situated over 3 floors at the school's Bishan campus, the Science Hub provides a creative and conducive environment for engagement in science. Well equipped with resources for teaching and research, and with programs planned by a dedicated team of teachers, the Science Hub provides model environments for active inquiry, exploration and advanced work for students. At the heart of the Science Hub are the Exploratory Labs and the Discovery Labs. Exploratory Labs are specialized labs in photonics, life sciences, analytical chemistry and materials science. Facilities at the Photonics Lab include lasers, high-speed light intensity detectors, precision mechanical and optical elements, and a hologram making and processing facility. Here, students carry out research projects involving polarization and interference. Our analytical chemistry lab houses state-of-the-art instruments such as a UV to visible spectrophotometer, high-performance liquid chromatograph, atomic absorption spectrophotometer, and Fourier transform infrared spectrophotometer for chemical analysis. Students carry out experiments designed to refine their techniques on extraction, separation, and the use of instruments for chemical analysis of food materials and natural products. Students trained in research techniques of analytical chemistry can then carry out projects and research work on chemical analysis. The Life Sciences Lab has recently been expanded to accommodate work in the areas of molecular genetics and microbiology. Facilities in these labs include biosafety cabinets, polymerase chain reaction facilities, stereo microscopes, incubators, autoclave, and a growth room. Both microbiological and plant tissue culture projects have been carried out by students who learn about bacterial transformation, DNA profiling, and PCR as part of the Raffles Science curriculum. At our Materials Science Lab, programs are aimed at introducing our students to the world of materials. Exploratory activities include examining the water-absorbent polymer found in diapers and working with epoxy and polyester. Students work with and discover about materials like plastics and ceramic glazes. The latter, in conjunction with the school's art department, lends a unique interdisciplinary element to the materials science program. The Science Hub's Discovery Labs are ideal for students to explore and discover concepts on their own. Students can engage in self-directed discovery through activities such as using models of DNA and protein molecules to understand the central dogma, designing and executing investigative projects to test the hypotheses, and learn more about forces and electricity using hands-on kits. The Science Hub is a cornerstone of the Raffles Science program, an initiative that nurtures the natural curiosity of young learners in science and turns that into a passion for the pursuit of scientific knowledge. The Raffles Science program is based on the philosophy that students learn key science concepts and science process skills best when they are actively engaged in innovative inquiry and experimentation. Students are encouraged to find out about science through regular field trips, like this one at the Kallang Waterway, where students conduct chemical analysis of the water, measure the water flow rate, and study the use of aquatic organisms as biological indicators of pollution levels. Another feature of the Raffles Science program is our close collaboration with partners from research institutes, academia and industry. This ensures that we keep up with emerging trends in science. Such partnerships also help to bring cutting-edge research and applications into the classrooms and laboratories. Research education is an important pillar of the Raffles Science program. Our emphasis on research develops our students' capacity to sieve out relevant data and to crystallize and distill new knowledge from information. Students are taught the importance of proper research planning and design, data collection, report writing, collaborative work, and public presentation. To further enhance the holistic nature of our curriculum, overseas learning journeys are organized, introducing students to new cultures and experiences. In recent years, our students have travelled across Asia, Australia and Europe. They have visited the Space Centre in China, Cambridge University in the United Kingdom, the World Expos in Germany and Japan, the Marie Curie Museum in Poland, the Temelin Nuclear Power Station in the Czech Republic and the International Atomic Energy Agency headquarters in Austria. These are opportunities to learn outside the classroom, to interact with scientists and intellectuals, and to develop a deeper understanding of science as a social enterprise within the context of history, politics and culture. Through the efforts of both students and teachers, the RI.flv Science Programme has produced notable achievements at events like the Singapore Science and Engineering Fair, Singapore Youth Science Festival and the National Science Challenge. As part of the RI.flv Science Programme, the RI.flv's Academy meets the needs of RI.flvisians who are exceptionally gifted in biology, chemistry and physics. Started in 2007, the RI.flv's academies are talent development provisions for specialized areas of learning. Students can study ideas and concepts in greater depth, breadth and complexity. In the sciences, RI.flv's Academy students engage in specialized learning at a very high level through an accelerated and enriched curriculum that is authentic and hands-on in nature. Part of the curriculum features internship and mentorship with leading industry practitioners and experts from tertiary institutions. Academy students have the opportunity to offer elective modules related to particular subjects at specialized learning centers. They can also go overseas to participate in renowned international platforms and forums, such as the Oxbridge summer courses. RI.flv's Academy students also provided the nucleus of the Singapore team at the International Junior Science Olympiad in 2007, where Singapore emerged joint team second with Russia. Adding to the vibrancy of the RI.flv Science Programme is a bustling science club. The club primes our boys to make a serious challenge for top honours at academic competitions. Seniors of the club are the driving force behind the engaging and exciting activities for their juniors. The club provides meaningful opportunities for the boys to plan, organise and execute projects, including the Primary School Science Odyssey. Another unique feature of the Science Hub is its outreach program. The Science Hub organizes talent development programs for primary and secondary school students. The Inner Circle program for primary school students has received excellent feedback from its participants. Science Odyssey, our primary school science competition, has also been highly successful. The Science Hub also reaches out to the international community through these activities. The resources of the Science Hub are also extended to the community of teachers for their professional development. Professional sharing among both local and foreign expert practitioners will be fostered through workshops, seminars and conferences. New approaches to teaching pioneered at the Science Hub can be packaged into teaching kits for sharing. Exchange programs for teachers and students also add to the vibrancy of the Science Hub. The Science Hub endeavours to achieve the common goal of nurturing young science talents through collaboration with the academic community, public organisations, science institutes, private companies and schools. An example of such collaboration is the Mosquito as a Vector of Disease Life Science Education Project. This is a data-driven, integrated epidemiological model of dengue spread in Singapore, pioneered by the Genome Institute of Singapore, the Institute of High Performance Computing, the National University of Singapore, Science Centre Singapore, the Duke NUS Graduate Medical School and Raffles Institution. It involves students in data mining, mathematical modelling, vector surveillance and educational outreach. The project will also engage other schools in Singapore in the collection of actual data that will be used in authentic scientific research. Through this, students not only learn about the mosquito's life cycle and breeding pattern, but also appreciate how mosquito control and curbing dengue in Singapore will require national effort and evidence-based research. Through a combination of modern facilities, technology and an emphasis on research and self-discovery, the Raffles Science Hub provides a unique environment in which science is taught and discovered. It plays an integral role in a vibrant and exciting science program that will nurture in all Rafflesians a lifelong interest in science. Here, the pursuit of knowledge is only limited by the imagination. The Raffles Institution Science Hub.